Hello friends, myself Professor Joshi BM from ADSUL'S Technical Campus, CHAS, Ahmednagar. Today we have to discuss on parallel operations of transformers. Okay, here we discuss on how to connect two transformer or more transformer in parallel to carry the available load. Okay, if the available load is 3 kVA and the rating of the transformer is only 2 kVA, in that case we can connect another transformer of 2 kVA to carry the 3 kV loads. Okay, if the given load is 5 kilowatt and available transformer is only 1 kVA, in that case we can connect 5 transformer of 1 kVA to carry the available load. Okay, this is the parallel operation of transformer. So we know that what is meant by transformer. Transformer is a static device which can convert the electrical power, that is voltage and current, from one alternating circuit to another alternating circuit with desired changes in voltage and current without changing frequency. Okay, that is a transformer. That means it converts only electrical power from one alternating circuit to another alternating circuit. That means primary winding to the secondary winding. But in that case, the frequency cannot be changes. Okay, the rating of the transformer is always in kVA. Okay, that means transformer is only the device which converts the electrical power, that is voltage and current, from one alternating circuit to another alternating circuit. Okay, then what is meant by parallel operation of transformer? If existing transformer not capable to bear available load, in that case we can connect another transformer in parallel with the existing transformer to bear the available load. That means a parallel operation of transformer. In case of parallel operation of transformer, we can connect more than two transformers. Okay, two transformer, three transformer, 4, 5, 6. That means we can connect more than two transformer for the performance of parallel operation of transformer. Now here we see how to connect the parallel operations, how to perform the parallel operation of transformers. So we draw here a circuit diagram. For that we consider here two bus bars. First bus bar is primary bus bar. This is the primary bus bar, and this side we consider second bus bar. We call it as secondary bus bar. We call it as secondary bus bar. Here we connect two transformer in parallel. So to show the two transformers in parallel, we draw here two transformers. This is the first transformer. We name as X1. Now we draw here another transformer which we have to connect in parallel with existing transformer. Okay, so name as X2. This is the primary winding of the X1 transformer. This is the we name as primary, is named as secondary. This is the primary winding of X1 transformer, and this is the secondary winding of X1 transformer. While this is the primary winding of X2 transformer, and this is the secondary winding of X2 transformer. Okay. For the parallel operation of two transformers, we have to connect the first terminal of primary winding of the first transformer is we have to connect the primary first terminal of primary winding of the first transformer to the first terminal of the primary winding of the second transformer. Okay, after that we have to connect the second terminal of primary winding of first transformer to the second terminal of primary winding of the second transformer. Same we have to do in case of secondary or the load side of the transformer. Here we have to connect the first terminal of secondary side of the transformer to the first terminal of secondary side of the second transformer. After that, we have to connect second terminal of primary side of first transformer to the second terminal of secondary side of second transformer. Okay, this fashion we connect all the terminals of the primary as well as secondary winding with for the first and second transformer. After that, the shorted winding of both the first terminals of primary and secondary winding, we have to connect that shorted winding with the first bus bar. Okay, and shorted second terminals we have to connect with second bus bar line, and here we can measure the voltage V1. Here we can measure the voltage V1. Same for the supply side or the secondary side, we have to connect the shorted first terminal to the first bus bar, while shorted second terminals to the second bus bar. This is the secondary side or the load side. On the load side, we can measure here load voltage or secondary voltage. Okay, this fashion or this type of fashion we can connect multi transformers in parallel. That means more than two transformers. Here we can connect X3. Here we can connect X4 or up to the XN. That means we can connect multi-transformer in this fashion in parallel connections to perform the parallel operations of transformer to bear the supply voltage and to satisfy the load voltage. Okay, while doing this type of connection, we have to remember that we have to understand that the polarity of the terminals should be same for the parallel operation. That means the polarity of first terminal of both transformers should be same. The polarity of second terminal of the both transformers should be same. That means here is positive polarity, here should be positive polarity only. Here, if here is negative polarity, then here also should be negative polarity only. And the primary winding of both the transformer connected to the supply bus bar and secondary winding connected to the load bus bar. Okay, in that fashion we can connect the multi transformers in parallel operation. Here we can connect X3, X4, X5, X6 up to the Xn number of transformers we can connect in parallel operations. But for to perform the satisfactorily parallel operation, we have to satisfy the same some conditions. If we satisfy that condition, then and then only we can connect multi or more than two transformers in parallel. Then what are that conditions? The first condition is that frequency should be same and suitable for voltage of the primary winding. Okay, this is the first condition. Frequency for the both winding should be same to suitable for voltage of the primary winding. This is the first condition we have to satisfy for the satisfactory parallel operation. After that, second condition is that polarity should be same for both transformer terminals. Okay, that is we already discussed. The polarity should be same for the terminals that we have to shorted or that we have to connect bus bar. Polarity should be same. If the polarity is same, that then and then only we can satisfactorily operate the parallel operations of transformer. After that, the turns ratio of both the winding, that is primary or secondary, for the both terminals should be same. Okay, turns ratio, that means here is turns ratio is N1, then primary side of the second transformer turns ratio should be N1 only for the satisfactory operation. If there is if the primary winding of the first transformer is connected with 1500 turns, then the primary winding of second transformer should be 1500 turns. That means turns ratio should be same. Okay, then after that the voltage ratio should be same for the both the transformer. X1, X2, X3, X4, number of transformers we connected in parallel operation, the voltage ratio of all the transformers should be same. After that, the percentage impedance should be equal in magnitude and have the same X by R ratio. This is a very important satisfactory condition for the parallel operation of transformer. The percentage impedance should be equal in magnitude and having same X by R ratio. This is also a very important condition for the satisfactorily parallel operation. Okay, and after that the last condition is that KVA rating should be same. That means you connect all the connected transformers should having same KVA rating. If transformer 1 is 2 kVA or if the transformer 1 is 3 kVA, then X2 should be 3 kVA. If the transformer X1 is 1 kVA, then X2 should be 1 kVA. Okay, if we handle the load of 5 kilowatt, then we have to add the available rating of the transformer is 1 kVA. In that case, we have to connect 5 number of 1 kVA transformer to connect in parallel operation or to bear the available load. Okay, these are the main conditions. If these conditions are satisfied, then and then only we can connect the number of transformers in parallel. First condition is that frequency should be equal and suitable for the voltage of the primary winding of the transformer. After that, the polarity should be same for both the transformer terminals. Okay, after that the voltage ratio should be same, and the important condition is that the percent impedance should be equal in magnitude and having same X by R ratio. The last condition is that KVA rating should be same. These are the very important conditions for the satisfactory operation of transformer. And if the available load is more than the rating of the transformer, in that case we can connect multi transformers in parallel to bear the available loads. Okay, I hope you understand very easily and in simple language, what is meant by parallel operation of transformer, what is the necessity of parallel operation of transformer, and how to connect parallel operations, how to connect multi transformers in parallel operation, and what are the main conditions for the satisfactory parallel operation of transformer. Okay, thank you.